Here's how you can add zoom in or zoom out effect with just one click. First select your clip, it can be an image or video. I have an image. Then go to the inspector panel and turn on dynamic zoom. And there you go, you have a zoom out effect. If you want a zoom in effect, then all you have to do, go to the dynamic zoom and then hit swap. Now you will get a zoom in effect. But the most interesting part, if you click this drop down and select dynamic zoom, it will give you two boxes which indicates where your zoom will start and where your zoom will end. So this yellow box indicates where your zoom will start, and this red box indicates where your zoom will be on the end of the clip. So if I scale it down and let's take the red one to this rhino, then it will start from the whole image and zoom in to this rhino. So if we turn this off and go to the beginning, then you see it's go to the rhino. So if we turn this on and scale the yellow one and take it to the elephant, then it will start from the elephant and go to the rhino. So let's go to the beginning, turn this off. See, it starts from the elephant. Now if we hit play, then it will go to the rhino. And there you go. That's how you can use dynamic zooms in DaVinci Resolve.